think I did pretty alright. So, there's that. But yeah, sadly no white sides. But you know, it doesn't look bad without the white sides. Yeah, a mysterious light just beaming from the bottom. Well, thank you, thank you. I am angry about the masking fluid. I mean, it's just. Listen, it has one job, quite frankly. One job. To go on paper and then come off of the paper without fucking shit up. That's all it's supposed to do. Literally nothing else. Nothing else that it can do in its life. And it messed that up. Like, how disappointing. How disappointing of an existence. Thanks. Well, thank you for the shiny, shiny, pretty things. Thank you. Here, a nice round of purple disappointment hearts. No, they're not disappointment hearts. They're great hearts. Thank you. Anyhow. So that is one thing I have done, besides toilet roll and birds. But basically these birds hopefully will turn into a gouache painting. So, you know, fingers crossed it works out. Oh no! Did the chat die again? I swear to God, what the heck is happening? Let's see. Okay, it's telling me that it's connecting to chat. Oh, actually nothing loads. Haha. I don't know if you can even see the stream anymore because for me everything's rather dead. So, you know, great times if you're saying something in the chat I can't see. And if you're not saying anything, then that's good, I guess. I will just continue with my birds in the hopes that maybe things will restore themselves. Or maybe they won't, and I will be just left here on my own. Okay, actually this... Okay, now it... Can someone type something right now? Because maybe the chat is back? We'll see. No, okay, I can see that. Thank you! Thank you very much, greatly appreciated. You want your disappointment hearts. You didn't get them. Are there no hearts in the chat? Well, I can put them down once again. I have no problem with that. So cats in there as well. Because why not? I like those cats, by the way. Those ginger cats from Christmas time. Ah, a delight. Such pretty boys. You screwed it up. It's fine. It's okay. We'll forgive you. Hello, Elsie. Welcome. I finished the bridge painting. I think that was the last thing you saw being done by me, which was a while back. I mean, technically it's finished, but where even is it? I mean, it's sort of done. Like this bit,
I think we're gonna be friends.
I think might benefit from more details. Gustav, thank you oh so very much for subscribing and subscriberonies. A nice round of Chloe hearts going directly towards you. Thank you very much for that. Caillou. Also, hi, hello, and welcome. So yeah, the sort of base part of the bridge might be lacking a bit of detail. Maybe still it's lacking depth, quite frankly. It is looking a tad bit flat in comparison to the rest. But at least everything is covered. So that's good. That's the good part of this. All the paper is covered. Well, hello, hello. Well, thanks, Sourtack. What inspired the Chloe hearts on my face? I mean, I have a lip liner that I have on my lips right now, and it comes in pencil form. And it's very convenient for drawing things on your face, so that's the inspiration. I happen to have a lip liner in pencil form. That's about it. Arkan. Oh, you're kicking the door in. Okay, first of all, can you not? Second of all, it's already gorilla glued, so you can't kick it. But hello, what's with the Harley Quinn getup? Why does this look like Harley Quinn? I'm aware that, like, who Carly? I'm aware who Harley Quinn is. Doesn't she have, like, a different kind of setup? Like with weird, funky ponytails and whatnot. Sputnik, hello. A tragic wardrobe malfunction. Truly tragic. Hello, Kay. Welcome.